So as you guys can see, the vehicle is quite dirty. So we're gonna go through, give it a full wash, pressure wash it all off using the foam cannon that we got from YAMATIC here. So we'll be upgrading our pressure washer with this foam cannon. And in order to strip all the contaminants from the surface, I'm actually using the Dawn dish soap here. Typically, you don't want to use this unless you're going with like a full paint correction like we're doing today. So we'll be using this to eliminate any kind of dirt, grime, wax coatings that have been on the vehicle previously to get it all completely cleaned up. So we'll be mixing this with the YAMATIC foam cannon here and our pressure washer. Once that's completed, we'll go through, take our clay bar here, which is actually a speed clay bar. So these are super nice, way better than using actual clay, and should be a lot quicker than using clay. So we'll go ahead and get the exterior of that all cleaned up to remove any kind of rail dust or any kind of other contaminants on the surface, and then we'll give it one final wash again with the pressure washer and Dawn dish soap. Once that's completed, we'll move it over into the canopy, get it taped up as far as like moldings and trim go, and we'll start with our buffing and polishing process.